Our word work purpose for the day. I can identify prefixes to determine the meaning of a word. So a prefix comes at the beginning of the word. So in your password today, preheat, the prefix was pre. Pre means before. We can use the prefix to determine the meaning of this word when the prefix is added to the base word. Preheat. So preheat means to heat before you do something. So for example, I might heat the oven before I start cooking so that the oven's already warm. So I might have to preheat my oven. Here is another word with the prefix pre. Go ahead and try and read that word on your own. Let's check your thinking. Preview. Pre is the prefix. It comes before the base word. And the base word is view. View means to look at something or to view something. So I might view the highlights of a movie before watching it. So instead of saying I'm going to view before I watch something, I will say I'm going to preview the movie. Raise your hand if you've ever watched a preview for a movie. Yeah, it's to see if you like it. You're going to view it before you watch it. Preview. That's going to set us up for our word work this week. We've just met our purpose. I can identify prefixes to determine the meaning of a word. So remember, third graders, a prefix is a word part that comes at the beginning of a word and it gets added to a base word. And you will hear that the base word could also be called a root word. And the root word can stand alone and have basic meaning. All right, I'll see you for our genre.